Creating an invoice on Xero is a straightforward process that helps you bill your clients efficiently. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Xero. Sign into your Xero account using your credentials. Navigate to Invoices. From the dashboard, click on the Business menu. Select Invoices from the drop-down list. Create a new invoice. Click on the New Invoice button on the Invoices page. Enter invoice details. Customer. Select an existing customer from your contact list or add a new one by clicking Add a new contact. Date. Set the invoice date and the due date. Invoice number. Xero automatically generates this, but you can edit it if needed. Add line items. In the line items section, add descriptions of the products or services provided. Enter the quantity, unit price, and account. Xero will automatically calculate the total amount. Apply taxes. Select the appropriate tax rate for each line item if applicable. Additional details. Add any additional notes or terms in the reference and description fields. Attach files if necessary by clicking on the Attach File link. Save or approve invoice. You can save the invoice as a draft or approve it directly. To approve, click the Approve button. Send the invoice. Once approved, click on Email to send the invoice directly to the customer. Alternatively, you can generate a PDF version to print or send manually. Track invoice status. Return to the Invoices page to monitor the status. Send reminders for overdue invoices if needed.